Halo everyone, minasan konnichiwa. Halo semuanya, nama saya Mutia. My name is Mutia, Mutia Tomoshimasu. So, I've been teaching Bahasa Indonesia or Indonesian language since 2018. So, it's been more than 7 years. And if you want to do lesson with me, I have 4 level. The first one is beginner, basic, advanced, and the last one is customized. But if you want to do more lesson, more detailed lesson, for example, you want to talk with your Indonesian boyfriend or girlfriend, or you want to talk with your coworker, how to talk to them, how to talk business language in Bahasa Indonesia, or you want to learn only uh, Indonesian language in formal language or in non-formal language, casual language only, or both. Yes, we can talk about it first. We can discuss about it first. Or if you want to do only conversation lesson, that's okay. And of course, I will teach you to speak like us, like Indonesian, not to speak like a robot, yeah. And I can speak Japanese too, minasan. Konnichiwa. 私はね、2018年からインドネシア語を教えました。そして、私とインドネシア語を勉強したなら、4つのレベルがあって、最初は入門、そして基礎で発展、最後はカスタマイズ。でも、もし他のレッスンを勉強したいなら、例えば、インドネシアの恋人と話したいとか、インドネシアの会社員と話したいとか、どうやって会話してとか、または会話のレッスンだけもいいですよ。そして、インドネシア語の検定もできます。すべてのレベルもできます。じゃあ、皆さん、what are you waiting for? So, lesson に会いましょう。See you in the lesson. Bye bye. またね。